The deep lineup of electrified Hyundai vehicles keeps getting bigger. Hey everyone, welcome to another Hyundai showroom walk around. I'm Gian, your product specialist and host. Tucson has always been one of our most popular models. Now you have some electrified options with Tucson Hybrid and this, the first ever 2022 Tucson plug-in hybrid. Electric when you want it, gas when you need it. It's a win-win. For instance, you can drive in its all-electric mode for up to 33 miles without ever using a single drop of gas. And like the rest of the Tucson family, it sports a bold, modern look that really sets it apart from other compact SUVs. It's nicely packed with the latest in wireless tech, intuitive displays, and advanced safety. Tucson plug-in hybrid comes equipped with H-Track all-wheel drive, standard. Let's take a better look at it. As you can see, it's virtually identical to the gas-powered Tucson. As we take a look at its distinctive 3D grille, you have that parametric design that's really eye-catching with the 10 hidden LED daytime running lights only seen once illuminated. And since this is the limited trim, you get the beautiful dark chrome finish and badge. As we take a look at other features, standard 19-inch alloy wheels, side mirrors with LED turn signal indicators, a chiseled surface with strong character lines, gloss black panels, and vertical LED taillight spears connected by a continuous LED light bar, a parametric diffuser and bumper. Now for convenience, you get your hands-free smart liftgate with auto open, 31.9 cubic feet of space for your cargo, and rear seats that fold down into a 60-40 split. Now let's talk about performance. I already told you that Tucson plug-in hybrid is equipped with H-Track all-wheel drive standard, but what I didn't tell you is that unlike most plug-in hybrids, this is actually fun to drive, thanks to its e-handling technology. It combines the traction control system and electric motor to give you tighter cornering performance. With its combined 261 horsepower from its 1.6-liter turbo engine and electric motor, it actually has more power than the gas-powered version of the Tucson. Now you have 4 different drive modes you can select from with Eco, Smart, Comfort, and Sport. Up to 33-mile range in its all-electric mode, which you can get fully charged in less than 7 hours on your standard 110-volt power outlet, and under 2 hours with a 240-volt charger. Now, when it comes to intuitive technology, Tucson plug-in hybrid takes convenience to a whole new level, starting with remote smart parking assist. You can actually park Tucson without even being in the vehicle. Simply press and hold this button on the key fob. Tucson can pull straight in or reverse out of a parking spot. Hyundai Digital Key, which transforms your Android smartphone into a key fob, or you can use your digital key card. Simply place it next to the door to unlock it, use it to turn on the engine, and you can even share your digital key with friends and families to their Android smartphone device. Now, as soon as you're inside, you're greeted by an interior that's spacious and refined. For instance, there's no hood over the 10.25-inch digital gauge cluster, so the dash feels more open and streamlined. Then there's our new multi-air mode technology that gently diffuses the air from each vent so you barely feel the airflow. A 10.25-inch touchscreen display that comes standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on the buttonless center stack. Wireless rapid charging pad with cooling fan. Dynamic voice recognition. Use your voice to control the windows, trunk, climate control, and more. A panoramic sunroof. 3 years complimentary of BlueLink, Hyundai's connected car service, and the Bose premium audio system. And like every new Hyundai, Tucson plug-in hybrid is equipped with Hyundai SmartSense, an intelligent network of sensors and cameras that really act like an extra set of eyes to help keep you and your passengers safe. Now, some of those include forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection, cyclist detection, and junction turning, blind spot collision avoidance assist, rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, lane following assist, highway driving assist, safe exit warning, ultrasonic rear occupant alert, and smart cruise control with stop go. And since it's a plug-in hybrid, you get some additional benefits. Up to $6,587 in federal tax credit, state and local incentives, and solo driving access in carpool lanes. And because it's a Hyundai, you get America's best warranty. A 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, a 5-year or 60,000-mile new vehicle limited warranty, 5 years unlimited miles of 24-hour roadside assistance, and Hyundai's complimentary maintenance for 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. And because it's an electrified vehicle here at Hyundai, it's backed by a 10-year or 100,000-mile electric limited battery warranty. Hyundai cares about quality. That's why we produce our own advanced high-strength steel, which is very strong and very light. So there you have it, the first ever 2022 Tucson plug-in hybrid, our recharge or refuel modern SUV. It has all the amazing things that makes Tucson our most popular SUV, plus the perks of being an electric vehicle. It really is the best of both worlds.